guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have one of my favorite guests to visit my channel, Misty. She is here to help me. You guys know when she stops by, it's all about creativity, it's all about decor, it is about getting something done that I personally don't know how to do. Today, since we are pretty much approaching spring, I thought it was perfect to get us some spring decor. I am personally gonna make, we are actually gonna make a wreath arrangement. So we have all of our supplies. I will give you guys an up close. So here I'm giving you guys an overview of all the tools and supplies that we're gonna be using. You have the mesh right here, you have the scissors and the cutters and ties to secure each bundle that we will create later. And that is it. And most of our supplies we got, she got at Michael's. This is the wreath.
They usually come in 12, 14, 16, or 18.
Yes.
This is like one of the bigger ones that you can get.
So you can get whatever size you want, and then you can get the mesh colors that you desire. We pretty much have a little bit of everything, so there's no specific rule to this. You just buy whatever you like. So basically, we're gonna start off by cutting the mesh.
Okay, we're gonna do bundles of 4, and we're going to do 6 bundles per section. And so we're going to take and attach the 6 bundles. This is a section right here, and we have 9 sections. So we've got 6 times 9, so we're each going to do 54 bundles.
So this is the full size, and we cut each one kind of halfway down the middle. So what we're doing now, we're also cutting the ties, and we need 108 because we have to do 54 bundles. We will do some of this sped up a little bit, but for purposes of the video, we will walk through the first few parts so you guys can get an up close of what that looks like. We're gonna make sure that we have enough ties. We need 108. So Misty will be doing hers, and I'll be doing mine because we kind of have an idea what we want to do. We got some inspo from this YouTuber. I will put the link from where I got the inspiration below. We will walk you through the first few bundles so you guys can see exactly how it's done. Happy St. Patrick's Day. We are dressed for the occasion. You guys know we're homebound, staycation, self-quarantined, all of the things for this corona season that we're going through. So we decided to dress up a little bit and give a little homage to St. Patrick's. So happy St. Patrick's Day. So we have like an 8-inch indicator from the ruler that we kind of like created on the workspace. And then we're gonna cut it across and 8 inches. So you will cut it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It needs to be about 8 inches wide. And as you can see, some of it is like curling up naturally. So this is my first piece. Second piece. So what I'm doing is just getting like a combination of colors, which I will bundle together, and we need 4 pieces. I will give you guys an up close.
And all of that for nothing. I might be able to do 2 at a time. Yeah, she made it look so much easier with her little cutter thingy.
Roll it up. Bundle, bundle, bundle from the middle, and repeat the steps with the others. And you guys know I am no expert, so this is just all in a good fun. So take my recommendations with a grain of salt, honey. I am not an artiste, I am not a creative genius at all. And so I'm just having fun with my girl. She's really the creative one, honestly, y'all. She's super creative. I've told you this in the past if you checked out our Christmas decoration. And I mean, I'm doing pretty good.
That looks good.
Yeah.
You do like the silver, huh?
I do. So you just bundle this up in no particular order. You will get your tie, your wire, whatever. And you just kind of like get all of it together and secure it in the bottom. So make sure you get like a flexible tie because this one is a little hard to work with. And you leave enough in the bottom so you can put around the wreath. Use the middle section. I will show you Misty's up close. And then you tighten it in the bottom. and you secure it, and I will kind of like put mine down like this so it doesn't hurt anyone. Ooh. And then the first one looks like this. I will trim it up a little bit because some of it is a little.
I think I like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take each of these and make a roll out of them. Kind of roll it tight, nice and tight like that purple one. Wish they would all roll up like that purple one. Try to kind of hold them together, like an X on the first one. And then this purple one just rolled up so pretty like that. Go right down the middle. And then get this yellow one. I've got my finger on the three together. Trying to keep them from moving. Behind here. Kind of got out of whack there. Got kind of a star pattern going on here. And then so right down the middle with each color, I'm just gonna grab right here. I'm caught in the middle. Grab one of these. This one's a little more sturdy. Now a lot of people use like pipe cleaners or Chanel sticks. Try. Get them nice and tight. Get on the back. So in between these two sections right here, you're gonna attach it, kind of get it in the middle there. I'm going to take it, flip it over. Going to tighten that up like so. Ta-da! Here's my first one.
Beautiful. In this section, you guys will enjoy a little time lapse of us working through, cutting the material, and basically getting all the bundles ready to put around the wreath. As you can see, I started and she's doing the cutting. And in the end, of course, we will both have two separate wreaths. But yeah, that is kind of what that looked like during the process. This is our progress so far. I will give you guys an up close. This is what she's looking like, and I think it is really pretty. Of course, we have to do some cutting on our own, so it's not a perfect science like my friend over here would say, but I think she's very pretty and I love it. So we have 4 bundles in here. We need about 2 more so it can be nice and thick, and then we will continue like this. Whenever I want to do something like uber creative, this right here is my road dog. She is the creative genius. I mean, her Christmas tree, she helped me do mine, and really she went home and she did like the most perfect Christmas tree. Honestly, like I will insert a picture if I can find it. She did such a good job with hers. Like I would have thought that she hired someone to come do it. So she's really super creative.
That's sweet.
I'm not, and I have no shame in saying that, but I can learn. I mean, I'm open to learning, you know. And so far my wreath is looking fire, if I do say so myself. I mean, look at it. So cute, right? Okay guys, this is the final look. I feel like it turned out pretty good. This was my first time, and honestly, okay, Misty is the creative one. This took us a long time. Hats off to the Nash sisters for making this look so easy. So when I looked at the video, it looked so simple. I was like, I can do that. I got a little cocky, you know, thinking that it was a simple mission, but it took way longer than I anticipated. What do you think?
I knew it was going to take a long time. Just all of the different intricate pieces that have to work, you know, one on top of the other. It's going to take a lot of time. So we didn't have anything else better to do.
It takes a lot of time, a lot of patience.
Some Easter eggs.
And these are sold like for like $60 in some places. And guys,
It's
after the
even-
day I've had doing this, I feel like it's worth it, okay? I'm gonna clear this up so you guys can see the final look on the table. We got this Easter egg garland, and it comes like this. You could use it for however you want. So I cut it up. I just cut the string and pulled the eggs out, and I put it in this vase, this clear glass vase, and that is gonna go right in the middle, like so.
I am taking the flower and I am cutting off the stem. I'm measuring the vase, kind of eyeballing how tall she wants the flower.
That looks about
So.
perfect. Oh, it's so cute.
I think it's adorable.
Oh, that's so adorable. I love it so much. And this is the final look for the vase and the floral arrangement. I think it's so stinking cute.
And fluffy and adorable.
It's so adorable. So yeah, and it just goes right in the middle. You can add like other things if you want, like accents if you want to. Thank you guys so much for hanging there with us. Thank you, Misty, again for
You're very welcome.
hanging in there with me. She got all the supplies. Like, she's the real MVP here, y'all. Y'all know I don't know much about this. This is just for fun, and I hope you guys learned something new. And I did it myself, so I'm pretty proud of that. And I think it turned out pretty good. So thank you, babe.
You're very welcome.
Bye, guys.